that is a cop right there.
This biker was practicing wheelies when a police officer came from opposite direction. Realizing the mistake, the rider immediately pulled over.
Hopefully we are not going to jail. I know, I'm
88 and a 40.
first wheelie, bro.
Okay. So I wrote you for reckless driving, okay? Doing 84 and a 45. This is dumb, dude. You're gonna end up dead on this thing.
Yes. Well, might as well get a little thumbnail.
As soon as the motorcycle officer spotted this biker, he got on his bike and followed him. The stop was officially for a license plate issue, but as the situation unfolds, the officer appears to reveal the real reason behind the stop.
Hello, I'm Officer Ellis with the Highway Patrol. You get your radio on?
Yeah.
I'm Officer Ellis with the Highway Patrol. I stopped you for your license plate. It's not, I can't see it from the back.
Yeah, I already have a fixed ticket from a while ago, so I've just been waiting to get a new bracket put on. I can show you the ticket right now.
Alright. Do you have your license as well?
Yeah.
Well, I hope it wasn't you because it sure looks like it was you. Did you come off the freeway?
Yeah.
You ride that way every day?
Sometimes I work over here, so.
I also got a motorcycle just like yours with your camera on the back at 114 2 days ago. Was that you?
No, I mean,
Exited at Hosking.
wasn't me. I mean, I go this way, but I'm going to work, so I mean, I'm not trying to get pulled over on my way to work.
Well, I hope it wasn't you because it sure looks like it was you.
I don't ride that fast on my way to work.
Yeah, I got him on LiDAR at 114. Try to catch up to him. He dove off at Hosking.
This biker said the officer allegedly heard him speeding and thought he noticed something unusual on the license plate. What do you think, guys? Was that a valid reason for the stop?
What was on your number plate then?
On my number plate?
Yeah, what was on your number plate?
Nothing's ever on my number
No,
plate.
it was, mate. What was on it?
No, I'll be honest, nothing's never on my number plate.
Something was just on it. Still sure you had something on your number plate, mate? Honestly.
No, mate, honestly, between me and you, fair enough. If you saw that, you saw that. But genuinely, I pulled over as you asked me to and I got off the bike. I've not done anything else. No, but I do, so basically, I get free parking. I get free parking there.
I'll stop you there.
No, I get free parking.
Stop talking.
Have you had anything to drink yet?
Oh, not yet, not yet.
So your exhaust is missing a baffle.
Oh, no.
It's too loud, I'll tell you that much. You shouldn't be able to see all the way through it like that, for a start.
I hope there's nothing else.
No, okay.
Just a baffle, basically.
We're just waiting, my colleagues are just looking at cameras.
That's fine, no problem.
Once they're done, that's it.
No worries.
Even if one of your neighbours goes, oh yeah, he's pulled up, it's so noisy in the morning when he goes to work, you'll get a section 59 warning, and
really?
it'll happen, and then I'll stop it and they'll go, seize it, yeah, great, and I'll seize it, and then it'll be done. So just bear that in mind.
Yeah.
I'm going to do some checks on
That's
cameras.
fine.
If it turns out there was, I'll be in contact with you.
No problem.
Slow it down, right?
I appreciate that, mate. Go on, look after yourself.
This officer's tactic for stopping fleeing motorcycles is just as effective as a pit maneuver. Take a look. These bikers were riding slightly faster than allowed on the highway and passed several police cars, assuming no one would follow. When they pulled into a gas station, an unexpected surprise was waiting for them.
There's a cop. Don't take your helmet off. Don't take your helmet off. Just be ready. Just get gas. I need to get gas. I didn't get gas over there. Oh, cop's right here. Is that cop waiting for us? No, is he moving? He's moving. I think he's waiting. Yeah, dude. I think they called us ahead, bro. They're pulling up on us. They're pulling up.
Get here, man. Just get here.
Yeah.
All right. You have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Come on,
Yeah, let me grab it. I got you.
Were you with these two guys?
Yeah, but I was way behind them.
Okay. Well, the slowest I got on radar was 117. The highest was 123. That's why we're contacting them right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all traveling in tandem. One of the other guys booked it.
No, I don't know. I don't think that other guy was with us. I think he just on the way up here. Well, I'm guessing they're getting his ass too.
Where y'all coming from, bro?
Just San Antonio.
Okay. Where y'all headed to right now?
We just gotta come here and then head back. Just because weather's been pretty cold and today was kind of nice.
Give me a second, okay?
Alright, sounds good. Dude, the guy said the lowest radar we had was 117. I mean, it's true. We didn't slow down at all. I know I f***ed up. I saw him pull up and I'm like, he's moving on us. I just didn't want to run. This
Everything checked out on your bike. Were you behind these guys or in front of them?
behind him. No, I'm slow.
Slower.
Slower, yeah.
Like I said, I got y'all 117, 123, like all day long.
Yeah.
The white bike's getting towed,
The white bike?
so you're gonna have to check it out. I know y'all don't know each other. You said y'all, what you said.
No, I mean, we met up on the highway. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, bro. Mind your speed, man. 'Cause you going that fast, or all of y'all going that fast, you're gonna just go to jail for reckless driving.
Yeah, I mean,
That's why we're doing what we're doing. Every time we get to a bike crash, we're dead.
Yeah.
Every time. I mean, you know this. You ride.
Yeah.
I used to ride. So
What'd you used to have?
I rode a Harley B-Rod.
Okay. Oh, hell yeah. Nice.
Did you get him for pacing? Are we pacing now?
Okay.
You're good?
What?
I don't know.
Why?
I'm just making sure they're not getting tickets for pacing.
You can still get a ticket for pacing. I mean, it doesn't matter, bro. You can get a ticket for pacing. And your camera will show your speed.
Exactly.
Right? So, I mean, you have your own evidence.
I'm through Ruffles down here.
You're good, bro.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Dude, we all f***ing passed them going like 130.
In the end, most of the riders received heavy speeding tickets, and one motorcycle was impounded for having no license plate. Fortunately, this biker was let go with only a warning.
There's no reason to be revving like that. That's ridiculous.
Sorry, I had music on.
Doing that revving is ridiculous. Let them know.
Okay, I will. I'm sorry about
Makes
that.
no
Apologies.
sense to do that.
Yeah. No, I was.
And driving on the wrong side of the road and through traffic. Like
Yeah.
the thing.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize on their behalf. I'll let them know. Yeah. He was just showing me flames. He was.
Don't care.
Yeah. Okay, I'll let him know.
Care. It's ignorant.
Yeah.
To drive like that.
Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry about
This officer on the bicycle was so furious about the riders revving their bikes that he felt the need to warn every one of them. While riding around, this biker was spotted by the police, and one detail on the bike immediately caught the officer's attention.
What? I have one down here.
Huh?
I have one down here.
I can't hear you. Where's your mirror?
Down here.
Down there?
Yeah.
Where?
In here.
You look back?
I do look back.
Hold on 1 second. I said, where's your mirror?
It's in here.
Where? How do you see?
I don't have the proper tool to get it back in. They came loose.
Oh, that's a glove box.
Yeah. So I keep one on me, but if I were to put it in here, it just comes right out.
Okay, well, you have to have them.
I know. I'm trying to get the part so it'll stay in.
Okay. So it's just not fitting in there?
It's not, no.
Okay. Put some tape on it.
Okay.
Okay? Get some of that like white tape or like electrical tape. All right? Put it like that much onto it or halfway up or however far it goes down.
Okay.
Put about 2 or 3 times where it's thick and then put it on there.
Okay, thank you.
That'll thicken it up and that'll get that on there, okay? Because you can get tickets for that.
Yeah.
So
that's why I keep it in here just in case. It's like I have it. I mean, I could show you. It's not going to go in.
Even if it's in there, it's still a ticket.
Yeah.
Because they have to be on. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm just telling you now, it doesn't matter where you have them. They have to be where they're visible for you. Okay?
Okay.
That's the law.
Yeah.
Okay? Do you have tape at home?
Probably. I'd have to look.
Okay. Where are you headed to now?
The gym.
The gym?
Yeah.
I'd maybe just get them on there between here and the gym or something like that.
We're clear whenever.
Okay. That way you don't get in trouble, get pulled over, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good one. Keep still. Go work out. You working out? All right.
The officer got behind these bikers after noticing the motorcycle in front was missing the license plate. This biker later said that this was fortunately his friendliest encounter with the police. Take a look.
Yep, bought it within the last 30 days. I just got the plate today, hadn't had a chance to put it on.
Gotcha. All right. Do you have any paperwork for it with you guys?
That's a good question. It might be in my backpack. Let me check. Oh no, my backpack's open. You know,
which one you were, but
you know what? I don't have the registration. You need my license?
No, you're fine. I'm not actually stopping you. I'm stopping her.
Oh, huh?
You just with her, so that's all right.
Yeah.
Nice day to be riding.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cooling off a little bit. Pretty good on Saturday, Sunday, though. I appreciate the sport, by the way.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Technically, it's still within 30 days. I think we're all right.
Once you get the plate, you're supposed to put it on.
Oh, all right. It's my fault.
It would be improper display if you have the plate and you don't have it on.
Right.
So.
I lost it. I hope not. It cost me $400.
Try that one. I'm not gonna write you a ticket or anything. But...
Yeah, I'll put it on as soon as we get home.
I saw you all the way out there on J, and it stands out on bikes. I mean,
yeah, it's kind of hard to read.
Yeah.
At least it wasn't bent up, so you know we're not doing wheelies, right?
Yeah, yeah. Those are the best. Yeah, those are the best. Just give me just a second. I'll be right
Sure.
It's back for you. Once you guys get insurance on it, just make sure you stick the insurance with it.
Okay, we do have insurance.
Okay, I'm not worried about it. Just get that with you because somebody else may write you for it.
Okay.
So
the bad.
Very easily stolen. So
right.
That's why anytime I see it without a plate, I always stop it.
Yep. That's why we have theft insurance on them too.
That's definitely a good idea.
The bad side about these, there's nowhere to put anything.
Right. There's no compartment, is there?
Well, you can, but you have to unbolt that big hex bolt.
I've been thinking about it.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, if you're gonna like have your jacket with you, if you think you're gonna wear your jacket all the time, just stick in your jacket.
Oh yeah, man, all the gear all the time.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yep.
So, all right, well, you guys be careful, okay?
All right, thank you.
Guys enjoy the rest of your day.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like, and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.